Understanding the phrase, to take a hit in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, to take a hit. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can really help you in grasping the nuances of the language. So, let's dive in and discover what this phrase means and how it's used in different contexts. The phrase, to take a hit, originally comes from a physical context. Literally, it means to receive a blow or impact, often in sports or physical activities. For example, a boxer might take a hit during a match. Understanding this original, literal meaning is a great foundation for grasping its more figurative uses. In everyday language, to take a hit is often used figuratively. It means to suffer a setback or a loss, particularly in reputation, finances, or health. For example, a business might take a hit after a bad review, or someone's pride might take a hit after a mistake. This usage is very common in casual and business English conversations. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used in sentences. 1. The company's profits took a hit after the market crash. Here, it means the company suffered financial losses. 2. His confidence took a hit when he didn't get the job. In this case, it means a loss in self-confidence. Understanding these examples can help you recognize and use the phrase correctly in various situations. When using, to take a hit, be careful not to confuse it with similar sounding phrases that have different meanings. For instance, taking a hit is not the same as hitting back or taking a shot. Context is key in understanding and using this phrase appropriately. And that's a wrap on, to take a hit. We hope this video has been informative and helps you in your journey of mastering the English language. Remember, language learning is all about understanding the context and nuances. Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. See you in our next video.